So what I'm talking about tonight is single touch payroll, what it is, when it's coming into play. I'm also going to run into some tax updates and possible changes to make you aware of those. On to single touch payroll, exactly what it is that employers will be required to report digitally to the ATO every time they make a payment of wages. So just like you do now, you don't need to change it. If you're paying weekly, you keep paying weekly. If you're paying monthly, you keep paying monthly. But as soon as you pay someone, you need to send that data direct to the tax office. So they'll be aware of, on a weekly or monthly basis, the wages that you're paying, the tax that you're withholding, the super that you're supposed to pay, and any fringe benefits. It was legislated on the 12th of February that those employers with 19 or less employees now have to comply with that same rules. So everyone, whether they like it or not, is going to need to report under single touch payroll. Our preference is that you should start using it as soon as possible, and you should start perhaps in May and give it a test run. It's not going to muck up your payroll or do anything else like that, but at least you know you'll be ready to start on the 1st of July. And for most practices, first week of July, with getting group certificates and reconciling your payroll, doing everything else, everyone's so busy in that first week or two, it's going to be really difficult to get the new system up and running if you decide to start on the 1st of July.